You're the one soul I would come up here to collect myself. Mm-hmm. So I've heard.
Me, but because there was so much distraction going on, he forgot his nitrous, and I was able to snatch his soul.
Venom kills demons.
Or is it another one of your cons?
I need my keys. I need the keys. Keys. I need my keys. Tell them I need my keys.
Hey, you need the keys. You need the keys.
Now, guys, even though I know about distractions, sometimes it can come back to bite you. So what happened with this race with me and Raphael, we've been trying to hook up and make this race happen for quite some time now. Raphael got to the drag strip a little late, and he wanted to test his car and make a couple of test passes. And while he was making the test passes, the clocks was running down and the drag strip got time to close. So I went ahead and put my car up and started taking the tires off my car and put my street tires back on there. Raphael was able to speak to the people at the drag strip. They agreed to stay open a little bit later and let us make that run. So with that said, I went ahead and had my brother put my race tires back onto the car. I took that opportunity to go to Raphael's car and put a camera on the car, and that's where I got distracted at, guys. And that's where consistency was not in the play with what I usually do. When my buddy brought my car around to me, I got in the car, got ready to line up, and lo and behold, the key fob was not in the car. Immediately I started screaming for my keys to get my keys back to the car. The car would not acknowledge it. So that left me no choice but to turn the car off and turn the car back on. Now remember, the drag strip was trying to close, so these guys are trying to hurry us up to the light. Hit the SRT button twice, which put me in the drag mode, but clearly forgot to go to my high octane button. And that's how I lost the race. Now, I think I would have won the race if I used my high octane and ran the Demon at its fastest capability. I say I would have snatched his soul. But that's here for another story. Raphael has agreed to race me again at the Rumble in the Jungle. So I'll be going back out and I'll be meeting Raphael and his Cobra, and we'll race again in the Rumble in the Jungle. Now guys, don't take Raphael lightly. That Raphael's car is really, really fast. He won that race. I can't take anything from him. I was distracted, just like the guy I raced previously in the 5-second car. He was distracted, and Raphael walked away with the win. He was able to get away with his soul, able to make it home in one piece. Anyway, we'll have a rematch with the Rumble in the Jungle. So you know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Peace.
This one belongs to me.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.